They tell you making money online is easy. Start a side hustle, post a few videos, and you'll be rich in no time. But let's be honest, that's not reality. Making money online isn't magic. It's about understanding opportunities, working smart, and being consistent. Think about it. Every day, millions of people scroll past content, ignore emails, and overlook opportunities. The ones who succeed are not luckier. They just understand the rules that most ignore. Rule number 1, value comes first. Online money isn't about clicking buttons. It's about creating value that people actually want. Whether it's a YouTube channel, freelance service, digital products, or even an online course, the more value you provide, the more people will pay attention, and the more you can earn. People pay for solutions, not ideas. Rule number 2, start small, scale smart. You don't need $1 million investment to start. You just need focus. Pick one platform or skill, master it, and then expand. A single blog, a YouTube channel, or a small freelance service can turn into a sustainable income over time if you commit and keep learning. Rule number 3, consistency beats creativity sometimes. Going viral is rare. Most online successes come from showing up every single day, producing content, refining skills, and building trust with an audience. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Even small daily actions compound into big results. Rule number 4, leverage technology and systems. Automation tools, AI assistants, email marketing, analytics. These aren't just fancy words. They are the tools that multiply your efforts. 1 hour of smart work can have the impact of 10 hours if you use the right system. Finally, mindset is everything. The biggest mistake people make online is expecting instant results. Success online takes patience, persistence, and a willingness to fail and learn. The moment you stop chasing shortcuts and start focusing on real value, consistency, and smart systems, you start winning. So here's the takeaway. Making money online isn't about luck. It's about thinking like a business, delivering value, and staying consistent. Start small, keep learning, and let time do the heavy lifting. Because in the online world, your income isn't limited by your office hours. It's limited by your mindset. Start today and let your efforts compound into freedom. This is it, where we don't just chase money online. We make it work for us.